Most seniors eat walnuts daily, thinking they're safe, but eating them the wrong way after 60 can harm your heart, digestion, and kidneys. Here are 5 mistakes that quietly damage your health. High heat roasting destroys omega-3s. Roasting walnuts above 360 degrees Fahrenheit breaks down omega-3s and antioxidants, creating harmful compounds linked to joint pain and memory loss. Instead, eat raw or toast gently at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. Improper storage causes rancidity. Walnuts stored at room temperature lose antioxidants within a week and become rancid, forming toxins that stress your liver and upset digestion. Mrs. Allen suffered stomach discomfort from powdered walnuts stored on the counter, but improved after freezing fresh walnuts. Eating walnuts alone without protein. Consuming walnuts alone on an empty stomach can spike blood sugar, especially risky for seniors prone to diabetes. Pair 1 ounce, 7 to 8 walnuts with protein sources like Greek yogurt, whole grain bread, or fruit for balanced energy. Too many walnuts with kidney disease. 1 ounce has 125 milligrams phosphorus and potassium each. Damaged kidneys struggle to filter excess minerals, risking irregular heartbeat and weak bones. Mr. Ramirez with kidney issues ate 2 daily and faced dangerous potassium levels. Limit to 1 handful twice a week and eat low-potassium foods alongside. Blood thinner medication interactions. Walnuts omega-3s enhance blood thinners such as warfarin and aspirin, upping bleeding risks. If you take these meds, consult your doctor and monitor clotting regularly. Some can eat small amounts, others should avoid walnuts. Avoid high heat, store walnuts frozen, eat with protein, watch portions if kidney diseased, and check with your doctor if on blood thinners. When done right, walnuts help lower cholesterol, boost memory, strengthen bones, and protect heart health for decades. The superfood was always in your kitchen. Now you know how to use it safely.